Hi guys, today I was challenged by 3 of my friends to get ready in 5 minutes. I took on that challenge but it was super rushed, and you will see that I was able to get this done in less than 5 minutes. I hope you have fun and see how silly people can get. When you're done, go look in the descriptions. We have 3 other ladies that are trying to get the same thing accomplished. Before I start, I wanted to show you guys how I keep all of my products on the countertop, all corralled into a tray so it doesn't look too messy. And within each product, I have them inside of those wee containers from the wee yogurt. And I keep a bunch of lipsticks in one, or a bunch of eyeliners in another, all my mascara in another, and so on and so forth. It's just an easy way to keep track of everything that I'm using and not have it scattered in a drawer. So I will set my 5-minute timer, and you will see it right there on the screen. I decided to do a voiceover because there was no way I was going to be able to accomplish this task. You can see I started with concealer. I used the Maybelline Instant Age Eraser, and I made sure to cover most of the dark spots. And I always like putting some on the tip of my nose, tip of the lips, and chin. And I'm using a foundation brush to apply it, and where I want the concealer to have higher coverage, I will stipple the brush. Then I'm using my hands to finish blending around my eyes. I just like it best. I think the warmth of my fingers helps that. Then I used Oleo in Oso as a balm. You will see that I have a review on this product, and I will link it up here on the screen. And it can be used both on your lips and your cheeks. I like it because it has a beautiful tint of color to it. I also am using my eyebrow pencil. This is a shade that's a little bit darker than I usually use, but since I only had 5 minutes, I wanted to make sure that whatever I put in my eyebrows would be impactful. I was really flustered and I tried to go super fast because I was afraid of the time. Then I made sure to kind of blend it just a little bit. Right now I'm trying to get an eyeliner on because I wanted to have an impactful eye so that I wouldn't look so horrible during my Zoom meeting. So I think having a thick eyeliner makes a huge difference. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it done just by using the camera as my image in the camera. So I had to step out and do it using my mirror. And I apologize for that, but I was on the clock. I couldn't make any adjustments. I think just having an eyeliner, even without mascara, would make enough of a statement if you just need to put something really quick to go on. Now, finally, I'm using sunscreen, and I use the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Liquid Sunscreen. It has SPF 70. So there are 2 reasons I'm using sunscreen over my makeup. One is it's a natural look. I'm not using powders or anything. So it will give me a glowy look on video. And you should use sunscreen on top of everything that you use. That is the best way to protect yourself. Sunscreen should always be used last. After checking that I still had time left, I went ahead and reused the concealer on areas that I thought needed more coverage. I used my fingers to try to spread it as quickly as possible. I also redoubled up on my cheek products since I had recovered it. It was a mess, but I think I was just really flustered. Overall, it's a fresh look, very natural. Then I applied some mascara very quickly, just enough to feel like I had some eyelashes in there. I feel like the eyeliner did a great job giving me some contrast. There I am trying again to go back to the glowy look. The lights also make the colors not show as much. And then I poofed my dirty hair and tried to make it look presentable. And still had 26 seconds to go. I should have used those last 12 seconds to blend my concealer better around my nose and my eyes. But again, I couldn't see from the camera viewer. I was happy with the end product. However, I did cheat, and right before my meeting, I added some of the Chanel red lipstick, and I think it was a bold choice that helped me look more finished. 5 minutes is plenty of time for you to get your look together. I repeated some of the steps several times, and I was just going so frazzled. I wanted to look half decent. I didn't want it to look just like, oh, I just put something on for the sake of being on camera. So don't forget to go check my YouTube friends. Links are down below in the description. And I actually do have to get on a Zoom call right now. So I'll see you soon.